properly. Come on, ready? Go. Blink, ha?
Diba you do this, Monica?
Ay,
Again. Masakit talaga eh. Come on.
To operate.
No. Ready, go.
Blink, ha? Bakit naman you're not blinking?
I blink. Still there?
May blink.
Mga talaga tayo sira.
Late pa naman ang mata.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to look down, okay? Ready? Go.
Why did we look down?
Look at your nose!
Look down. Open your eyes. Don't blink. I want you to open your eyes inside because that's the only way. Ready? And then look down. Look down, ha?
Okay, I look down.
Is it still there? Still there? Oh, again. Ready? Ready na?
No. Wait.
Because that's the only remedy we have.
Bilis! Para matapos na tayo dito!
Ready? I wanna
Put in 10 marshmallows by now.
Ano pa?
Kaya.
Again. Go. Don't stop. Was it hot? It's probably just ash because small things are hard to remove from your eye. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Maria, pati. Binisin natin ulit. Ano, meron pa?
Sino?
Meron pa?
There's not it.
Okay, dyan.